Okay, so let's fix the anchor tags, and this is actually going to be pretty straightforward. So instead of calling fix tags, I'm going to call fix redirected tags, redirected back to fetch page. So let's go ahead and start by copying fix tags, paste, and then fix redirected tags. So what I need to know is the current page that I'm loading this from up to the question mark. So I'm going to be on, for example, let me go here, console, and let's encode URI component, HTTP, oh, so here's the URL. Let's grab that. Okay, so this is what the URL parameter will look like on the page. Question URL equals that. Okay, so here is still working. So in order to get the location where I currently am, I want to do window.location, and that's an object with a lot of properties. And so the search is everything after the question mark. It's got a path name and a host name and some other stuff. So here's the origin and the path name, and that gives me what I want. So window.location.origin plus window.location.pathname plus question mark URL equals plus encode URI component and then an absolute URL. Let's grab a different page. So let's go to the DOM page, grab that, copy that, paste that in here. So that gives me the full URL I want to access. And I'll do that in here. Right. So that's what I want. So here where I do the set attribute, that's going to be window.location.origin plus window.location. Was it path name? Yeah, path name plus question mark URL equals plus encode URI component of the absolute URL. So let's go back here and reload. Actually, let me go back to the home page. And find a link. And this should redirect me back to, yeah, FetchPage.php question mark URL and URL. Good, so I'm still in the system and it's rewritten this page. And then if I go back to home, and I go next chapter, previous chapter, previous, home. So this has actually taken me to Amazon. which will not work. What we have is really brittle. I mean, it won't even work completely on eloquent JavaScript.net. So yeah, it's definitely not going to work with forms and with JavaScript at this point.